Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is part 1 of my parting series. So today I'll be using duck clips, rubber bands, and a rat tail comb. Today I'll be showing you guys my method of getting the hair parted down the middle. So your guide is always going to be the center of the nose. Why is that? Because the nose is located in the center of the face. So we line the comb up with the center of the nose, and then that is how we locate the center of the hair and we begin parting. So I always start at the center in the front. I try to make it kind of neat, but not too perfect. And then I go ahead and start parting the back of the head. This first part does not have to be perfect. Obviously, my mannequin has straight hair, so it's a little bit easier to glide through this first initial part. However, we are going to put the hair into 2 ponytails. That's why we need the rubber bands. And we're going to wrap that rubber band around 2 times, 1 and 2. So putting the hair into 2 ponytails actually separates the hair and it pulls the hair evenly on both sides. So you're able to see the difference of the ponytails, and that will let you know if your part is actually in the center of the head. So with your hair being pulled both ways, I'm actually able to see that my part wasn't all the way in the center. So now I'm just going to go down the part, cleaning it up and readjusting it to the center. For this initial part, you will not need to use any product because you are simply trying to locate the middle part, and you will not need to apply any product until you have it located. As I always tell you guys, practice, practice, practice. Practice makes perfect, okay? So if you struggle with parting down the middle, don't think you're gonna get it on your first time after watching this video. Some of you may get it, but some of you may have to practice a few times before this becomes easy for you. So I've located the middle, and now that's when I'm applying the duck clips to secure both sides of the part. And with parting, guys, those silver duck clips, those metal duck clips are going to be your best friend. Don't be afraid to use clips. So now that I think I have it in the middle, I'm going to readjust the rubber bands, making them tight again so that I can fully see both ponytails. Try this method and come back to the comment section and let me know if this method helped you find your middle part. Be on the lookout for part 2 of this parting series. I'll be showing you guys how to make your sections even for stitch braids. If you guys liked the video today, hit the like button for me. Let me know how you felt in the comments. Hit the subscribe button and connect with me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok.